This is Ibps Rrb Clerk Prelims model test number 51. Let's try to solve the questions from reasoning part. Look at the first question here. 8 persons are sitting in a linear row such that some of them are facing north and some of them are facing south. So some people are facing north and some people are facing south. T is second to the left of V and they are facing opposite directions. Now we don't know which direction is V facing, leave it. W is sitting to the immediate right of T. Y is second to the right of W. V is sitting fourth from one of the ends of the rows. Now maybe this would help me. Total 8 persons. V is sitting fourth from one of the ends of the rows. V is sitting fourth from one of the extreme ends of the rows. How many possibilities? 2 possibilities. Even though I have 2 possibilities, still I am not sure. Endukante T sits second to the right of V antunnadu. T sits second to the right of V ante maybe V is facing north or V is facing south. Ekkada kuda manaki clarity anedi ledu. Next line. S is sitting second to the left of Y. X is sitting to the immediate right of S. Z is second to the right of X and faces north. Who is facing north? Z is facing north. U sits to the immediate left of Z and both of them are facing opposite direction. U sits to the immediate left of Z anagane Z is facing north kada. Cheppandamma. When Z is facing north, immediate left of Z is U and both are facing opposite. And this is the information that we can gather from the given question. Other than this, nothing is known about the directions. Ona kada. Now this question can be split into how many cases? 4 cases. Not 1 but 4. Why? Because I can take V is south and I can also take V is north. Ona kada. I can also take V is north. Mala same story is applicable here also. V is south, V is north. Which look to this question which look to be very easy. Slowly, there's multiple possibilities making this question. I don't say difficult, but it is wasting our time. It's not difficult. You can easily understand the clues. Once you get into the track, you can easily fix everybody. But the problem is, this question is killing time. Sir, చూద్దాం ఒకసారి. First these 2 cases, if you don't get the answer, we still have another 2 possibilities. What did he say? T is second to the left of V. T is second to the left of V. T is second to the left of V ante south unnappudu manaki right. T is second to the left of V, done kada. And then he says, and they are facing opposite directions. And they are facing opposite directions. Next, W is to the immediate right of T. W is to the immediate right of T. Here T is facing south, immediate right and manaki left. Next, Y is second to the right of W. Y is second to the right of W. Left is becoming right, W should be facing south. Y is second to the right of W. Your right is right, W will be facing north. Next line. V is sits fourth from one of the ends of the rows. S is sitting second to the left of Y. S is sitting second to the left of Y. Second position from Y is S. Second position from Y is S, but left you should be going towards south. Okay na? Next point. Amma, X is sitting to the immediate left of S. X is sitting to the immediate right of S. X is sitting to the immediate right of S. Next, Z is second to the right of X. Second position from X should be Z. Is it possible here in the first case? Second to the right of X. And Z is facing north. Immediate left is U who is facing south, which we have already fixed. So did I get my answer? Yes. I got answer from my second case. If I had not got this answer, they would have gone for the third and the fourth cases at the same time. What is the first question in this question? Who among the following sits third to the right of V? Who is third to the right of V? Cheppandamma. Third to the right of V is U. How many persons sit between W and Z? How many between W and Z? W and Z are in the corners. There are 8 people. So obviously in the middle you have 6. How many persons sits between W and Z? Done. Find the odd one. T and Y adjacent. V and S adjacent but same direction. T and Y also adjacent, same direction. X and T. X and T, how many people? 3 people in between. But they are facing same direction, opposite directions are opposite directions. U and Z adjacent. W and T adjacent. So what should be my answer? X and T. Which of the following statement is true about Z? 2 persons sits between Z and S. Do you see 2 people between Z and S? Chapandamma. So what should be my answer? What should be my answer? First option. 8 persons A, B, C, D, M, N, O and P are going on vacation in different months. That is June, July, August, September. June, July, August, September. They are all consecutive months. Avuna kada? They are going on 2 different dates the same year. 12th and 19th. But these are those questions which are regularly asked. 4 different months, 2 different dates and all. Regularly asked questions. Now, but one thing you should make sure is never expect the answer in one single cases. Rarest of the rarest times you can expect to get the answer in one single case. But most of the times it will be more than one possibility. What's going on here? All the given information is not necessarily in the same order. A is not going on the same date and month as M is going. A not equals to M. Date as well as month. There is 1 month gap between O and P. P who is going on odd date. There is a gap of 1 month. Be careful, not one person. Between O and P. P is going on odd number date. Odd number date ante emayipovali 90. Done. See, if P is in June, O will be somewhere in August because there is a gap of 1 month. Atla anamata. Ardhamainda? Next. D is going after N and C but before B. D is going after N and C but before B. But not immediate. But not immediate. So D and B, adjacent or not adjacent? Next line. There are 2 persons going on the vacation between N and O who do not go in the same month with O. N and O, gap of how many persons? Amma? Next is what? There are 2 persons who are going on vacation between N and O. O who does not go in the same month as M. O not equals to M. దేని గురించి మాట్లాడుతున్నాం మనం? Month. Next. Only 2 persons are going on vacation after M. Chalo, only 2 persons are going to vacation after M. And this is not O because O and M do not go in the same month. At the same time, A and M also not equals to same month and not equals to same date. M is on which day? 19. So automatically A should be on 12th. Antena amma? Next end chadavandi. N is going on vacation in the month which has 30 days. N is going in the month which has 30 days. What are 30 days? Can you explain me what are 30 days? Amma? June or September? I'll tell you one point, listen. If I take N in June here, 2 persons gap ఉంది కదా O అంటే but this is not the position for O కదా అవునా కాదా so పక్కా this is N and this has to be O. I cannot go for N in September because after N there are 2 persons minimum. Who are those 2 persons? D and B. Impossible. You cannot go for N in September. And what did you understand here? 100% guarantee we'll get answer in only one single possibility. And there is a gap of 1 month between O and P. P should be on. Chapandamma. P should be on 19th. Should I go for P on June or shall I go for P on September? మాట్లాడాలి 1 month గ్యాప్ ఉంది కదా ఆల్రెడీ ఓ ఇక్కడ ఉన్నాడు 1 month గ్యాప్ అని తీసుకొచ్చి నువ్వు ఇక్కడ పీ పెడితే అది 1 person గ్యాప్ అవుతుంది కానీ 1 month గ్యాప్ కాదు అర్థమవుతుందా సో జూలై అంటే ఇట్ షుడ్ బి ఇన్ సెప్టెంబర్ ఆర్ మే 1 month గ్యాప్ అంటే యూ డోంట్ హ్యావ్ మే కదా పక్కా దిస్ ఇస్ this clear to you? Next line. C does not go on the vacation in the month which has 31 days. So C has to go to vacation in the month which has 30 days. 30 days hai kada 30 days and C can be in June or September, but I can't go for C in September because of D and B. C is followed by D and B. So C has how many possibilities? One possibility. Next is what? B does not go in the month which has 31 days. Is going or not going up? Am I not going in the month which has 31 days? And B should also go in the month of 30 days ante September. Who are left out? Ma? D and A. But you're not supposed to go with A here kada. So pakka this is A, this is D. A is on 12th. Any problem? No problem at all. All the conditions have been satisfied. Here, how many persons go between A and the one who is going on 12th of August? A and 12th of August, how many persons? Only one person. Who among the following person goes on vacation on 19th July? 19th July is O. Which of the following combination is false regarding the given statement? August A. False. And first option ఏ ఫాల్స్ అయిందంటే కొంచెం అలర్ట్ ఉండాలి కదా బికాస్ దేర్ ఇస్ ఫిఫ్త్ ఆప్షన్ విచ్ సేస్ ఆల్ ఆర్ ఫాల్స్ లెట్ మీ లుక్ ఇన్ టు సెకండ్ వన్ జూన్ ఎన్ ఇస్ రైట్ కదా సో ఓన్లీ వన్ ఫోర్ అవుట్ ఆఫ్ ద ఫాలోయింగ్ 5 are like in a certain way అమ్మా obviously it will be depending upon the number of days in the month or else it will be on odd date or even date. N 12th, C 19th, D is 12th, P is 19th, M is 19th. Will I get answer with this? Chapandamma. Enduko? Because if I go with dates, there are 2 persons with the same date, N and D. Shall I go with months? Amma? What is C? Amma? June 19th, C. Ante June has how many days? 30 days. N వచ్చి 30 days, C is also 30 days. D వచ్చి ఎన్ని days అమ్మా? Come on. 31 days. P వచ్చి 30 days. M వచ్చి 31 days. Now if I go with this, what is the problem here? What is the problem? మాట్లాడండి అమ్మ ఒకసారి. NCMO 30 days, P is also 30 days, August and August లో ఎవరు వస్తున్నారు? D and M. What is the problem then? Where is the problem? I am also not getting the answer with the number of days in the month. If you observe carefully, N and C are born in the same month. D and M are also born in the same month. Among these 4 persons, there is some similarity where two persons are born in the same month. There is no combination with P. So what's the answer? P. Now we'll see questions on syllogisms. Look at the first one. Only a few games or medals. Some medals are not Olympics. Arrow mark from O to M. What is the first conclusion? All medals can never be games. All medals can never be games. Can never be means it is not at all a possibility. But can you please tell me one thing? Can I take all the medals and put them inside games? Yes or no? Na? Is it a possibility? Yes. But he says it is not a possibility. Is he right or wrong? Wrong. Some games are not Olympics. Absolutely yes. Some games are not Olympics. But this is positive or negative? Negative. What is the complementary? All games are Olympics. Can I draw Olympics around games? Yes. Olympics can go and touch these medals. And this is right automatically, this is wrong. What's the answer? Neither one nor two. Okay. 17. తీసుకోవద్దు ఫస్ట్ వన్ రాంగ్ అయిందని చెప్పి దాని కాంప్లిమెంటరీ తీసుకోవద్దు. ఎందుకు తీసుకోవద్దు? అది ఒక పాసిబిలిటీ కేస్. ఈజ్ ఏ పాసిబిలిటీ, నాట్ ఏ పాసిబిలిటీ అన్నప్పుడు అసలు నిజంగా పాసిబుల్ కాదా అని మనం వెతికి పాసిబుల్ అయితే పాసిబుల్, పాసిబుల్ కాకపోతే పాసిబుల్ అని చెప్పాలి అంతే. దట్ ఈస్ నాట్ ఎ రెగ్యులర్ కంక్లూషన్. నెగిటివ్, if a regular conclusion which is in negative is true, then you'll go for complementary. Only a few cars are bikes. All bikes are bicycles. Some bicycles are vehicles. What is the first conclusion? All cars can never be bikes. Can I take all the cars and put them inside bike? No. Arrow mark, only bike can go inside car, but car cannot go inside bike. Is it a possibility or not a possibility? Not a possibility. And what did he say? He says can never be. He is agreeing that it is not possible. So he is right. Next is what? Some bicycles are not vehicles. Some bicycles are not vehicles. Right kada? Chapandamma. What is the complementary? All bicycles are vehicles. Can I draw vehicles around bicycles happily? Because vehicle and bicycle are friends. This is right, this is wrong. What's the answer? Only one. Only a few. No fruit. All fruits are red. Done. First conclusion. Some flowers are fresh. Is there a relation? No. Second conclusion. No fresh is flower. Right. Complementary. Some fresh are flower. Can fresh go and touch flower? Yes. This is wrong. What's my answer? Be careful, students. Flowers, fresh flowers. There is a possibility that my answer can be either or, and absolutely in this case your answer is either or. Clear? Six boxes A, B, C, D, F contain different numbers of balls. Box D contains fewer balls than only two boxes. Box D is less than only two. Reverse, only two greater than D. If there are only two greater than D, above D there can be only two. Next, box A contains more balls than C but less than F. Box C does not contain the least number of boxes. This is not C. Box F contains fewer boxes than B. So before C there should be three persons: C, A, F, B. No other option. There is one person who is left out. A, B, C, D, E. The box contains the third lowest number of balls, that is 28. 28 with third lowest ఏనేగా చెప్పడమ్మా. How many boxes contain more balls than box A but fewer than B? More than A, less than B. How many boxes are there? 2 boxes. What are those 2 boxes? F and D. If box F and D contain 89 balls put together, F and D contain 89 put together, and box A contains 63. Sir, box D and A contains 63 balls together. 63 into the D and A is equals to 63. Already A is equals to how much? 28. When 28 goes to the other side, what should be my number here? 63 minus 28. What is 63 minus 28? 35. So D has how many? 35. If D has 35, what should be the number with F? 54. What is the number of balls that contain F? F contains how many? 54. Clear? How many boxes contain more balls than C? More than C, how many are there? 4 boxes. What are those 4? BF, BA. Six bags J, K, L, M, N and O are of different weights. M is heavier than K and O. M is heavier than K and O. Only 2 boxes are heavier than M. Only 2 boxes are heavier than M. L is heavier than K but lighter than M. L is heavier than K but lighter than M. So the O is not the lightest. This is not O. Ante Amma, what should be my next position? Where should I go for O? Where should I go for K and all? You need to tell me kada. After M there should be K and O. Kani M ki tarvata L undali, L tarvata K undali. So obvious ka this is L. 100% guarantee this is O and this is K. Done. Next, N is not the heaviest. So this is N. Who is left out? J. The weight of the lightest bag is 30. This is 30. And the heaviest bag is 100. If the sum of the weights of K and N is 100 kgs, K and N is 100 kgs, our N will be how much? 70. And the difference between J and L is 60. Difference between J and L is 60 and L should be 40. Then what is the possible weight of O? Possible weight of O more than 30, less than 40, 35. How many bags are heavier than J? How many bags are heavier than J? None. There is no bag which is heavier than J. Clear? If the sum of the weights of K and N is 100 kgs, same hai na? J and L difference is 60, 40. Then what is the possible weight of M if the weight of O is 55? What is the possible weight of M? Possible weight of M. ఎంత ఉండొచ్చు possible weight of M? అమ్మా less than 70 కదా, less than 70 ఉండాలి. 65. Okay. Next is I have one more puzzle to solve. 8 members. How many members? Of a family, Dinku, Bala, Banti, Mintu, Srija, Milky, Lassi and Sravya are sitting around a square table. 4 of them sitting in the corners of the table and the remaining 4 of the middle sides of and are all facing the center but not necessarily in the same order. How many persons? Ma? Everybody facing same direction or different direction? And what is the direction faced by everyone? 8 persons, square table. If everybody is facing center or if everybody is facing same direction, మా మీ రకంగా తీసుకొని చేయొచ్చు అని చెప్పిన. Did I tell you or not? Some are facing inside, some are facing outside. This strategy will not work out. Everybody is facing same direction. 8 people sitting on the square table. You can also consider it as a circle, or you can also take it as square. No problem at all. Clear? First line chadu. Milky is third to the left of Mintu. Milky is third to the left of Mintu. Dinku is sitting neither immediate to Milky nor Mintu. Dinku is sitting neither immediate to Milky or Mintu. Then how many places for Dinku? 2 places. These 2 are the places for Dinku. Next, Banti is sitting to the immediate left of Dinku but not sitting at the sides. And Banti is sitting in the corners. And now this can be Banti or this can be Banti, because it depends purely upon the place of Dinku, because Banti is sitting to the immediate left of Dinku. Understood everyone? Next line. Only 2 persons are sitting between Srija and Lassi. When counted to the right of Lassi, Shravya is immediate neighbor of Srija and faces Banti. And Shravya is facing Banti. If I put Banti here, opposite is Milky Gadamma. Will it be a possibility? No. So this is Banti. This is Dinku. Shravya is facing Banti. Ante kada? Shravya is an immediate neighbor of Srija and is opposite to Banti. There is one point before this. Only 2 persons are sitting between Srija and Lassi when counted to the right of Lassi. So pakka this has to be Lassi. Right of Lassi, 2 persons between Srija and Lassi. This one person who is left out. Who is he? Bala. And he told to us, Banti is sitting in the side or not sitting in the side? Banti is sitting to the immediate left of Dinku but not sitting at the sides. And Banti is sitting in corner. When Banti is sitting in corner, can you please tell me who are those people who are sitting in the corners? Banti, Shravya, Lassi, Mintu. Is this clear? What is the position of Dinku with respect to Bala? Second to the right. Who amongst the following is opposite to Mintu? Opposite to Mintu is Lassi. What is the position of Dinku with respect to Shravya? Position of Dinku with respect to Shravya, left side, third left. How many people sit between Lassi and Bala when counted to the left of Bala? Lassi and Bala when counted to the left of Bala. How many persons? 4 persons. 4 persons. We have number series here. Increasing order, decreasing order. See, what I suggest is when you try to solve these type of questions, what is very important to us ante, as soon as you see the numbers, you should be in a position to identify the numbers. Entamma? 2 cube plus 1, 3 cube minus 1, 4 cube plus 1, 5 cube minus 1, 6 cube plus 1, and then 270. Tappu kada? Huge increase or gradual increase? Shall I go with the differences? What is the difference here? 3, 10, 3, 10, 17. Any guesses? Amma, difference between these numbers is 7. If I go over 7 again, 24. Right kada? Plus 7 ante 28. 64 plus 28 is 92. Okay. Next. Shall I go for products or you want me to go for difference? It is up to you, whatever you say. But do you see huge increase or gradual increase? చెప్పండి అమ్మా. ఈ నెంబర్ని 2తో మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే చాలు 5 అక్కడికి వెళ్ళిపోతాం. కానీ ఇక్కడ 2a కొంచెం తేడా కొడుతుంది. దిస్ ఇస్ ప్లస్ 1 ప్లస్ 8 ప్లస్ 27. డన్ అయిపోయింది. 1 8 27. 1 cube 2 cube 3 cube 4 cube 5 cube 6 cube. What's my answer? What is the answer? $236 కదా. Standard base model. Obviously you have to go for product. There is no other option, you have to go for product. 1 plus 1 into 2 plus 2 into 4 plus 4. How much is 33 into 4? 132 plus 4. Next, 603, 599. Shall I go with the differences? Ma, how much is the difference here? Minus 4. How much is the difference there? 599, 584. Difference. అమ్మా, ఇప్పుడు ప్లస్సా మైనసా? మైనస్. ఏం జరుగుతుంది? 537. సారీ 37 డిఫరెన్స్. 584కి దీనికి డిఫరెన్స్ ఎంత అని అడుగుతున్నా అమ్మా. This you don't know, but this is 100. Yes or no? And this is 144. 12 square, 10 square, 2 square. Maybe this is 6, this is 8. And then, sorry, 4, 6, 8. 4 square ante 16. అంతే కదా. పేపర్ నెంబర్ ఏమిటది? వాట్ ఈస్ పియోస్ పేపర్ నెంబర్? చలో, వాట్స్ ద క్వశ్చన్? హౌ మెనీ పర్సన్స్ ఆర్ దే గెటింగ్ డిఫరెంట్ ర్యాంక్స్? Come on, చూడండి అమ్మా క్వశ్చన్. హౌ మెనీ పర్సన్స్? Yeah, we're done with clerk. Now we are into RRP, officer scale 1 paper. The first question from reasoning part is a person. How many persons according to the question? 8 persons sitting around a circular table or row na, sitting in a row and facing north. Each one of them got a different ranks 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, but not necessarily in the same order. B sits on one of the ends of a nun and did not get 7th rank. Where is B sitting? B is sitting at one of the extreme ends. Did not get 7th rank. Intena? Next. Amma, there are 2 persons between B and E. 2 persons between B and E. Next, G sits second to the right of E and gets, E who got 2nd rank. G sits second to the right of E, who got 2nd rank. D is to the immediate left of H and did not get 6th and 7th rank. D is to the immediate left of H. Immediate left of H is D. And then it says H who did not get 6th and 7th. 6th and 7th rank. The one who got 1st and the 7th rank sit on the ends. 1st and 7th rank are sitting on the ends. B is not 7, so this has to be 7 and this should be 1. 7, 1. Done? Next end to chadu. A is exactly between the one who gets 2nd rank and 8th rank. A is exactly between the one who gets 2nd rank and 8th rank ante you can't go for A this side. Because the number of people there at both asal 8 A at both పోకూడదు చెప్పండి అమ్మా. A is sitting exactly between the one who got 2nd rank and 8th rank. అటువైపు నేను ఏని తీసుకొని వెళ్ళొచ్చా వెళ్ళకూడదా లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ అనడానికి నాది ఒక ప్రశ్న. ఆ ప్రశ్నకి జవాబు వెతుకుతున్నా మీ దగ్గర నుంచి. వెళ్ళొచ్చా వెళ్ళకూడదా? ఆనందంగా వెళ్ళొచ్చు. ఇక్కడ ఏ తీసుకొని ఇక్కడ 8th ర్యాంక్ తీసుకోవచ్చు, లేదా ఇక్కడ ఏ తీసుకొని ఇక్కడ 8th ర్యాంక్ తీసుకోవాలి. ఇంకో ఆప్షన్ లేదు. ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ బిట్వీన్ అంటే ద నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ పీపుల్ బిట్వీన్ 2nd ర్యాంక్ అండ్ A should be odd. 2nd rank and 8th rank should be odd because it should accommodate that exact center position for A. Next line chadu. F does not sit at the end. A got 4th rank and is sitting 4th from the ends. A got 4th rank and is sitting second in the 4th from the end. And ఇది ఒకటే possibility kada A, and A got how much rank? 4th rank. This is 8th. D and H ఎక్కడ తీసుకుందాం? D and H ఎక్కడ తీసుకున్నా సరే H కి 7th ర్యాంక్ అనేది రాకూడదు. అప్పుడు పక్కా D and H should be in this place. Yes or no? If you put H here, H is getting 7th because you should not get 7th. Next, what is there? There is one point in the middle. The one who gets 5th and the 6th rank are sitting adjacent to each other. The one who gets 5th rank and 6th rank sit adjacent to each other. Where should be 5th rank? H should be 5th rank. D should be 6th rank. F is not sitting at one of the extreme ends. Who is left out? A, B, C. 1, 2, 3. Am I done with all the ranks? I'm done with the positions? Yes. Second not necessary then. Who sits second to the left of the person who got 5th rank? Second to the left of 5th, B. B for Bombay, or the one who got 1st rank. Who among the following got the 3rd rank? Who got the 3rd rank? F. 4 out of the following 5 are alike. E, what's the rank of E? 2. A, 4. D, 6. H, 5. G, 8. What's the answer? H. Because all other numbers are even. What is the position of the person who got 2nd rank with respect to the one who got 3rd rank? 3rd to the left of 3rd rank. Antena? With respect to 3rd rank kada. 2nd rank with respect to 3rd rank is 3rd to the left. One person visits 7 different cities, that is Mumbai, Kolkata, Varanasi, Ranchi, Nagpur, Patna, and Vijayawada in a week starting from Monday to Sunday. Ranchi is visited either on Tuesday or Saturday. 3 cities are visited between Ranchi and Wednesday. 2 possibilities. Let me go with both. Ranchi either on Tuesday or on Saturday. 3 cities between Ranchi and Vijayawada. This is the possibility that I get. Next line. 2 cities between Kolkata and Nagpur. Nagpur is immediately either before or after Vijayawada. If this is Nagpur, 2 cities between Nagpur and Kolkata, will it be a possibility? No. So Pakka this is Nagpur, Kolkata. If I take Nagpur here, no way. Nagpur, Kolkata. Next. Mumbai is neither visited on Sunday nor on Monday. Patna is visited after Mumbai. Patna is visited after Mumbai. Kani Mumbai is not visited. Eppudo cheppu? Neither on Sunday nor on Monday. So if this is Mumbai, this has to be Patna because Patna is visited after Mumbai, and it clearly tells us 3 cities between Mumbai and Varanasi. Here it is wrong. Ardhamavatunda leda? So Pakka this has to be Mumbai. 3 cities between Mumbai and Varanasi. Patna is visited after. Done. Which of the following city is visited on Friday? Which of the following city is visited on Friday? Patna. Next. How many cities are visited between Vijayawada and Varanasi? In between Vijayawada and Varanasi, 1, 2, 3, 4. There's one option which says more than 3. We'll go for that. Which among the following statement is not true? Be careful. He says it is not true. Nagpur visited on Monday, true. Varanasi visited on Sunday, true. Patna visited on Friday, this is also true. Kolkata is visited on Saturday, no. My answer is 4th option. 4 out of the following 5 are I like in a certain way. He says Saturday and Kolkata. There is one day between Saturday and Kolkata. Wednesday and Nagpur also there is a gap of 1 day. Next is what? Sunday and Patna, gap of 1 day. Thursday and Vijayawada, gap of 1 day. Tuesday, Bombay, no gap between Tuesday and Bombay. Ten persons A, B, C, D, F, G, H, K, L are working in university. All belong to 3 different departments. Those are admin, teaching, technical. E is working with H in technical department. E is working with H in technical department. కానీ అక్కడ ఒక వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ పాయింట్ అనేది నేను చదవటం మర్చిపోయా. ఏమిటా ఇంపార్టెంట్ పాయింట్ ఒకసారి చెప్పండి నాకు. Each department contains at least 3 persons, but not necessarily in the same order. At least 3 ante minimum 3. What will be the order? 3, 3, 4, 3, 4, 3, 4, 3, 3. Yes. Next, E is working with H in technical department. B is working neither in administration nor technical, so B should be going for teaching. Next is what? G is working with A. K does not work in teaching department. This place is not meant for K. C is working with D and does not work with G and E. C is working with D but does not work with G and E. Not equals to G and E. And this place is not meant for C. Antena? Because E is working there kadamma. And where C is not working, D also cannot work. Next, L is working in teaching department. L is working in teaching department. Next, F works with A. And F is working with A and F should be also working with G. There are how many people here? 3 people. Can I take all the 3 people and put them in teaching department? No. Because I'll get 5. Can I take all these 3 G, A, F and put them in technical department? No. So pakka G, A, F. Okay na? C and D are not working with G and E. C and D are not working with G and D. So where should this C and D go to? Matladalama. Huh? Teaching department. Very good. C, D. I got 3 here. I got 4 here. Pakka this should be 3. Who is left out? K. Who among the following persons is working with L? With L there are 3 people. But B and D is given here. We'll go for both 1 and 4. Question number 16. Which among the following department has more number of workers? Teaching. Which of the following department does K work? Where is K working? Technical department. 4 out of the following 5 are like in a certain way. F and G belong to the same department. B and C same department. H and K same department. L and D same department. But E and A different departments. Nine persons PQ, RST, U, V, W and X live in 3 different floors. From 1 to 3. Ground floor is numbered 1. Top floor is numbered 3. There are 3 flats on each floor, flat 1, flat 2 and flat 3. From west to east respectively, 3 floors, 3, 2, 1, 3 flats. Flat 1, flat 2, flat 3. X lives to the west of R means both of them are living in the same floor. Mana telisinde ee vishayam. X lives to the east of P. East of P ena? Cheppandamma. P ki east lo evaru unnaru? X. One floor between V and S. S who lives above. S who lives above V, but both are not living in the same flat. Amma, S who lives above V. How many floors? Floors anada, flats anada? Unnave 3 floors, 1 floor in between them ante these people will be living in the topmost floor and bottommost floor kada. And then moreover he says, what did he say? S who lives above V. So this is S, this is V. But are they living in the same flat? No. But not living in the same flat. U is to the southeast of S. This is S, southeast is U. One thing is very, very sure. S cannot live in flat 3. Avuna kada. And S has to live either in flat 1 or flat 2. Next line chadavandam evito. R lives to the south of X. R lives to the south of X. Next line evito chudu. Amma. T lives in the south of W but not immediate close. Pakka fix. Guarantee. No doubt about it. Avuna kada. Next is what? Amma. U does not live in W's flat. U not equals to W. Dentlo. Next. W lives in odd numbered flat and odd numbered floor. 3 1 3 3. W should be leaving in 3 1 or 3 3. Ante kada. Next Q leaves to the. Am I done with all the clues? Everyone. So what are the possibilities for W? 3 1 3 3. First possibility is this. Now S should be leaving in the topmost floor kada. As decided, S cannot go to flat 3. V cannot leave in the same flat as S. This is PXR. Ekkada chance undi cheppandi amma. Southeast of S is U. Immediately above them is done. First case లోనే వచ్చేసింది నాకు ఆన్సర్. ఒకవేళ రాకపోయింటే నేను ఏం చేసేవాడిని, W and Tని ఫ్లాట్ 3లో ఒక అవకాశం ఉంది కాబట్టి అక్కడ కూడా మనం ఒక చెక్ చేసేవాళ్ళం. అవునా కాదా? Who leaves to the east of W? Two people are leaving to the east of W, S and Q. Both the options are given. We'll go for fifth option, both 2 and 3. P lives in which of the following floor and flat? Second floor, first flat. 4 out of the following 5 alike in a certain way, hence form a group. Which one does not belong to the group? V and W. V and W ఎట్లా ఏ లెక్కలో తీసుకోవాలి అమ్మా? Can I say V is leaving in a floor, sorry, W is leaving in a floor above V, or V is leaving below W? చెప్పండి అమ్మా, ఎలా తీసుకోవాలి? మల్టిపుల్ పాసిబిలిటీస్ ఉన్నాయి, నువ్వు ఎలా తీసుకోవచ్చు? V and W అంటే Vకి నార్త్ ఈస్ట్లో W, P and R, ఆర్కి నార్త్ ఈస్ట్లో P, T and Q. చెప్పండి అమ్మా, T and Q. నార్త్ ఈస్ట్, ఎర్లియర్ నార్త్ వెస్ట్ ఫ్రమ్ ఫస్ట్ పర్సన్, నౌ నార్త్ ఈస్ట్ ఫ్రమ్ ఫస్ట్ పర్సన్. U and W, నార్త్ వెస్ట్. U and S, which option? Which of the following statement is true? Q lives in the northeast of T. Is Q living in the northeast of T? Yes or no? When first option itself is my answer, what am I supposed to do? Amma? అడిగిన ప్రశ్నకి కొంచెం సమాధానం చెప్పండి అందరు దయచేసి. విచ్ ఆఫ్ ద ఫాలోయింగ్ స్టేట్మెంట్స్ ఈజ్ ట్రూ అని అడగటం జరిగింది ఇక్కడ. విచ్ ఆఫ్ ద ఈజ్ ట్రూ అన్నప్పుడు వాట్ ఈజ్ మై డ్యూటీ, వాట్ డస్ మై డ్యూటీ బికమ్? టు చెక్ విచ్ ఈజ్ ట్రూ. Q leaves to the northeast of T. Is Q leaving to the northeast of T? Yes. S and X live in the same flat? Yes. Can I mark my answer as all are true? Yes or no? అయిపోయిందమ్మా, ఇంకో 2 క్వశ్చన్లు ఉన్నాయి, కొంచెం కాన్సన్ట్రేషన్ పెట్టండి. Certain number of persons are sitting around a circular table and facing towards the center. Certain number of persons are sitting around the circular table facing towards the center. Only one person sits between S and V. I am not sure. Where is S and V? The number of persons sitting between S and G is same as the number of persons sitting between V and K from the right of V. 5 persons sits between G and M. R sits 6th to the right of U. Not more than 17 persons are sitting in the circle. G sits 4th to the left of V. ఇదో పనికొచ్చేదట్టుంది. G sits 4th to the left of V. ఫస్ట్ లైన్ చూడు, ఓన్లీ 1 person sits between S and V. ఇలా తీసుకుంటా నేను. 1 person sits between S and V. There is also another possibility. You can go to the right side. But what's the point here? Please read the point. The number of persons sitting between S and G is same as the number of persons sitting between V and K from right of V. SNG 1 person, V and K 1 person from the right of V. Happy kada? Next line into chadu. 5 persons are sitting between G and M. If I go to the right side, already 5 persons done kada? 5 persons sitting between G and M. R sits sixth to the right of U. I don't know where is this U and R. Not more than 17. G is fourth to the left of V. R sits exactly between S and V. Circular arrangement, when you sit exactly between two persons, you are immediate neighbor to those two persons. Avuna kada? Circular arrangement lo matrame. R gurinchi cheppadu paina. R sits sixth to the right of, and U sits sixth to the left of R kada? Amma? 5 persons between G and M. 5 వేసినట్టున్నా కదా? ఓ 4 వేసారా? ఓ నెక్స్ట్ తీసుకో. 5 persons between G and M. Next, M sits third to the right of K. 1, 2. Done. But the number should be less than 17. అది చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఒకసారి లెక్క పెట్టండి. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15. Less than 17 కదా? Who amongst the following sits exactly between G and K? ఎవరు? R. థర్టీ అనుకోండి ఇది యాక్చువల్గా వచ్చినది. హౌ మెనీ పర్సన్స్ సిట్స్ బిట్వీన్ M and U? మా మినిమమ్ ఈస్ 2 persons. అంతే కదా? What is the position of K with respect to G? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sixth to the right, but it can also be towards left. If it is left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 to the left is also given. So option number 1 and 4. How many persons sit in the circle? 15. 15. 15. Done? Number series unda? ఏమిటో నెంబర్ చెప్పండి. ఏమిటమ్మా? 50 నా? Increasing order, decreasing order? Increasing. Huge increase, gradual increase, gradual. What's the difference here? 48. How much is this? If I add 2, it becomes 100. Extra 33. This is 35. How much is this? 24. 48, 35, 24. ఎక్కడో విన్నట్టు ఏదో అనిపిస్తుంది, చూద్దాం. నెక్స్ట్ నెంబర్ ఏమిటో చెప్పండి డిఫరెన్స్. (48, 35, 24) చూడంగానే నీకు వచ్చిన థాట్ ఏంటి? మాట్లాడాలమ్మా. నెంబర్లు చూడంగానే గుర్తుపట్టాలి. కొన్ని లక్షల సార్లు చెప్పుంటా. నెంబర్ సిరీస్లో యాజ్ సూన్ యాజ్ యూ సీ నెంబర్స్ యూ షుడ్ ఇమీడియట్లీ ఐడెంటిఫై దెమ్. 7 square minus 1, 6 square minus 1, 5 square minus 1. Next should be what? 4 square minus 1. What is 4 square minus 1? 15. After 15 it should be 8. After that it should be 3. 157 plus 15, is it 171? No. 172 plus 8 is 180. Done? Yes or no? కొంతమంది ఏం చేస్తారంటే, సార్ దిస్ is 8 into 6, this is 7 into 5, this is 6 into 4. ఇంత దూరం ఎవడు ఆలోచించమంటుండు నిన్ను? కళ్ళ ముందు n square minus 1 ఫామ్ కనబడుతున్నప్పుడు 6 into 8, 7 into 5, 6 into 4 అంత దూరం పోవాల్సిన అవసరం ఉందా? కామన్ సెన్స్. Increasing or decreasing? Come on, come on. Huge increase, gradual increase. Huge. This is huge. So what's my duty? product. But if I observe carefully here, everywhere whatever I see, almost 3 times kada. Chepandamma. Almost 3 times. So, for example, 149 తీసుకుంటా into 3 చేస్తా. 149 into అంటే 150, 150 into 3 అంటే 450, minus 3 అంటే 447, into 3 minus 1. Look at this, 6 3s 18 minus. Maybe this is also into 3 minus 1, into 3 minus 1. 17 3s 51, minus 1 is 50. 53 is 150, minus 1 149. Set అయిందా లేదా? This is also into 3 minus 1. Which is wrong number? 51. What is your observation here? This is exactly 2 times. Huge increase kada. This is exactly 2 times. This is exactly 3 times. In between 3 and 2, what should be this number? 24 into 2.5. 24 2 is 48. 0.5 half of 24 is 12. 48 plus 12 60. Saripoyinda leda? This is how much? Into 1.5. This should be into 1. Okay? Increasing or decreasing? Maatladalama, maatladali. Huge increase, gradual increase? Huge. Where do you want me to start from? Wherever you want me to start, I'll start. It would be better if you start from this number. Into 5. Into 5 is nothing but half. 32 ka half, 16. Into 5 minus 5. Into 5 minus 5. Come back here. Into 2 minus 2. Into 3. Into 3 minus 3 ఉండాలా లేకపోతే minus 2 ఉండాలా? minus 3. ఎందుకంటే అక్కడ into 5 minus 5 వచ్చింది కదా. అప్పుడు into 3 అంటే 12, 12 minus 3 అంటే 9, అంటే మేబీ into 4 minus 4, 9 4 36, minus 4 32. డన్ కదా? yes or no? come on. plus minus, plus minus. So what's happening here? Chapandi. How much plus? How much minus? Minus 11. 130 అంటే plus 27. 131 అంటే minus 11. Plus 27. Long number. Your answer will not end with 5. Next. Increase or decrease? Huge or gradual? Difference, come on. 21. 30. 30. 33. 38. 30, 33, 38 చాలా బాగుంది. 3, 5. మేబీ దిస్ ఇస్ 1 కదా. చెప్పండి అమ్మా, మాట్లాడండి. అప్పుడు దిస్ షుడ్ హ్యావ్ బీన్ 29 instead of 21. You are making only one correction అంటే పక్కా first or the last one will be the answer కదా. Generally, if there is a wrong number somewhere in the middle, we'll make how many corrections? 2 corrections. You are making only one correction and that wrong number will be either in the first place or in the last place. So making one correction, obviously it should be first. Any doubts? Thank you.